episode. In my last videos, we were learning about the prepositions of place and time, in, on, and at. Today, we are gonna learn the prepositions of to and for. More often, we are getting confused on which preposition to use between to or for. Let us learn together on how to use to and for in this video. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Let's start! When should we use the preposition to? We can use to as a preposition to indicate a destination or direction or thing that someone or something moves toward. Examples: I am heading to the supermarket. My auntie invited us to their house for lunch. We can also use to preposition to indicate time or time between 2 points. Examples: my mom works from Saturday to Thursday. It's 5 minutes to 7. Another use of to is when you want to indicate preferences. Examples: I prefer fried chicken to fried fish. He prefers riding his bike to taking the bus. We can also use to indicate a limit or ending points. Examples: the snow was piled up to the roof. The movie tickets could cost up to $100 during the busy season. Hope you can now use to correctly. Let us recap the situations on when to use to. 1. Direction or destination. 2. Time or time between 2 points. 3. Preference. 4. Limit or ending points. Let us find out now when to use for. We can use for to indicate benefits. Examples: eating vegetables every day is good for your health. Getting enough sleep is important for your immune system. We can also use for to talk about duration or period of time. Examples: I attended the university for only 1 year. We have been living in Philippines for 2 years already. We can also use for to talk about helping someone. Examples: I baked a cake for my baby brother. Would you like me to open the bottle for you? Another use of for is to talk about function or purpose and followed by verbing. Examples: I use this box for storing my toys. The headphones are for listening to music. Hope you learned now on how to use the preposition for. Let us recap the common situations on when to use for. Number 1. When you talk about benefits. 2. Helping someone. 3. Function or purpose to plus verbing. I want to make sure that you learned something today. Let us have a short quiz. Number 1. All of us went blank the movie theater. 2. She has been studying hard blank the final exam. Hope you got the correct answers as below. Number 1. All of us went to the movie theater. Number 2. She has been studying hard for the final exam. Hope to see you again next time and thank you for watching. See you next time. Ayubawan, mabuhay!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.